What's up guys, my name is Aaron Baz, fitness manager for Fit Athletic, and today I'm giving you 5 tips to boost your immune system. Tip number 1 is eat a well-balanced diet. Specifically, you should focus on fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin B6, C, and E, also focusing on healthy fats that are rich in omega-3s. Examples of these types of foods are going to be things like avocados, salmon, and almonds for your omega-3s, and things like bell pepper and spinach for those vitamins. Tip number 2, drink plenty of water. Water helps the body stave off infection. Being hydrated is going to help your body naturally eliminate toxins that could potentially get you sick. Tip number 3 is to prioritize exercise. Moderate intensity exercise has been shown to increase antibodies in T cells in the body, which fight off viruses and infections. But be careful though, don't exercise too intensely while you're sick, as this has the opposite effect on your immune system. Tip number 4 is to get more sleep. Without sufficient sleep, your body makes fewer cytokines, a protein responsible for mitigation of inflammation and infection in the body. I recommend that you get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Tip number 5 is to spend some time outside in the sun. The sun's UV rays help the body produce the nutrient vitamin D. Vitamin D is good for the bones, the blood cells, and the immune system. I recommend trying to get 10 to 20 minutes in the sun every single day. I hope these 5 tips help boost your immune system. Please like and subscribe the channel if you want to see these videos again in the future. Otherwise, thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time.